Can we sneeze into the napkin? My name is Katerina. I'm an etiquette instructor and the author of the Guide to Western Dining Etiquette ebook. I recently received a question from one of you, my dear followers, and the question was, if we need to sneeze while we are dining, can we sneeze into the napkin that is on our lap? Short answer, no. The napkin is used for dabbing the corners of our mouth while we are eating. If we sneeze into it, we will then bring the napkin close to our mouth. Moreover, once we are done eating, the waiting staff would have to come in contact with the napkin after our departure. The best way how to handle the situation is to sneeze into our inner elbow. The inner elbow is far away from the hand that is used for handshakes or for eating. So this is the most practical and hygienic way how to deal with the situation. So you turn around a little bit and sneeze into the inner elbow.